Hi, welcome to my big fat tummy with me, Joyshri. I was recently clearing up media files on my phone and came across hundreds of wedding pictures with rituals and food. My cousin brother got married last February. The food pictures, though rather satisfying, also motivated me to enter the kitchen to prepare a fine meal. I have not been up for preparing special meals for a couple of weeks. Then again, food is the greatest pleasure in my life. So, our dinner that day was Machir Kalia. Before moving to the recipe, I want to say that if you are a new friend of my big fat tummy, please subscribe to this channel. You can see a red button under the name of the channel. Just press the red button, and beside this you will see a bell icon, and please press the bell icon to get the updates. Moving to the recipe, wash the fish sticks and pat them dry. Sprinkle salt and turmeric powder and rub the fish sticks and keep aside. I have taken 6 fish sticks. Now moving into the ingredients, you need 6 to 7 raisins, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, then 1 bay leaf and 1 green cardamom and half inch of cinnamon stick. You also need thick yogurt. Beat this very well. Here I have taken half cup of onion paste, and then you need 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Now let's moving into the preparation. In a kadhai, take 4 tablespoons of refined oil. If you want mustard oil, you can add that as well. When this is smoking, slide the fish in the oil. Keep the temperature medium to high and fry the fish till it is lightly golden and crispy, but the fish inside remains soft. Machir Kalia always has strong memories with any biye bari or wedding. This is typically part of a wedding menu or a special occasion like Annaprashan or rice eating ceremony. Large pieces of katla mach slathered in a reddish brown onion based gravy is simply irresistible, isn't it so? I have to insist my mom that I need to know step-wise how she makes the gravy, and she must not hold back secrets. So my recipe is basically my mom's magic on Katla Machir Kalia. In the same oil, temper with cumin seeds, bay leaf, cardamom and cinnamon.
ফিরিতেছি পাগল হয়ে সে মানুষ চেয়েছে ফিরিতেছি পাগল হয়ে মরমে জ্বলছে
Add onion paste and continue stirring.
ফিরিতেছি পাগল হয়ে মরমে জ্বলছে আগুন
To avoid sizzling, adding just 2 tablespoons of water. After a minute, adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Combine this well with the onion paste. Once the raw smell goes away, add the ginger paste and keep cooking. After a couple of minutes, adding some sliced green chilies. I have taken 2 in numbers.
ডুবে যাও রূপ সাগরে বিরলে বসে করো যোগ সাধনা একবার ধরতে পেলে মনের মানুষ ছেড়ে যেতে আর দিও না ধরতে
Add the raisins.
মনের মানুষ ছেড়ে যেতে
Continue cooking till the spices start releasing oil from the sides. Then add whisked yogurt. Adding 1 tablespoon of jeera powder or cumin powder. Initially, keep the heat to a minimum and cook the yogurt. Add a pinch of sugar. This will allow to balance the flavors. Add salt as you need. After a couple of minutes, increase the heat and continue to cook. In a minute or so, add a cup of water and let it cook till oil starts to float.
সে মানুষ চেয়ে ফিরিতেছি পাগল হয়ে মরমে জ্বলছে আগুন আর নিভে না আমায় বলে বলুক লোকে
While doing so, take the fish pieces and gently add them to the sauce. This gravy will be more of a sauce.
দেখেছি দেখেছি রূপসাগরে মনের মানুষ কাঁচা সোনা দেখেছি রূপসাগরে মনের মানুষ কাঁচা সোনা
After 2 minutes, check the seasoning and adjust it. I have added sugar. You can skip it if you don't want. Our katla machir kalia is almost done. You can sprinkle some Bengali garam masala and drizzle ghee. In fact, you can add split green chilies and cook for a minute or 2. Covering this for 2 minutes. Keep your flame medium to high at this point. So, this is ready to get on my plate. If you like my work, then please don't forget to show a big thumbs up. And yes, please comment about your experience with this recipe. And of course, if I have made any kind of mistakes, please let me know in the comment section below. You can serve macher kalia with steamed rice, Bengali ghee bhat, or bashanti pulao. Macher kalia doesn't stay fresh for long time. If you have cooked it and eaten part of it, heat it well over gas, and when it cools down, store in the refrigerator for up to a couple of days. This stays in the freezer for a month. Defrost in the microwave or heat over the gas for best results. Please share this video as much as you can. Today is this much with you lovelies, and thank you for staying and supporting my big fat tummy. Keep showing your love to this channel so that we can reach our next milestone with you also. Thank you.